Here's why smart sellers build multiple income streams. Here is the number one reason that sellers get stuck. They rely on a single offer, and when that offer dries up, so does their income. I've seen this happen over and over and over again. Sellers who think they're set because they've got one great offer, until the company changes direction. The lead funnel breaks. The ad doesn't work. The founder gets chaotic, changes pricing. Then they're scrambling. That's not freedom. Here, I'm going to break down the primary reason behind the success of the best sellers. Risk mitigation. So think about it. Seasonal buying cycles shift. Funnels collapse. Products pivot. Founders wake up one day and decide to change strategy. And if you have one income stream that's tied to one of those variables, you're done. One bad quarter and your pipeline, your paycheck, both of those things vanish. And that's exactly why I built the Closer Factory. It's a free community for setters, for closers, for affiliate sellers who don't want to leave their career up to chance. Inside, you are going to learn how to set yourself up with multiple income streams, sharpen your sales skills, and join a network of people who are building smarter, diversified sales portfolios for long-term career growth and longevity. Don't just gamble your future on one offer. Join through the link below. Diverse skill set. Now, when you build multiple income streams, you become marketable in a whole new way. You can collect commissions across different channels, across different industries, without just being tied to one offer. You're not at the mercy of a founder. You're not at the mercy of one product. You become your own boss, which is so powerful. You decide how far you want to go, how much you want to earn, and what direction you want to take your career. Versatility. And here's something that a lot of people don't talk about: career satisfaction. In sales, we talk a lot about making money, commission-based roles. But what about career satisfaction too? When you diversify, you stop feeling trapped. You get to explore a whole host of offers that actually work, sell products that light you up, try selling some you like and maybe some you don't like, and through that process, figure out what really excites you to sell long-term. And most importantly, where there's upside. You keep the momentum even when one lane slows down. And that is what real freedom in sales looks like. Let's talk about this analogy, portfolio thinking. It's just like investing. A financial advisor will never tell you to put 100% of your investment in one stock. That's reckless. Instead, they'll tell you what you should do is build a diversified financial portfolio, a set of assets that protect you when the market shifts. So why would you put all of your eggs in one basket in your sales career? If you want long-term stability, if you want massive upside, if you want to hedge, you need to treat yourself like the asset and build a diversified portfolio of income streams. And if you don't know how to set that up, that's okay. Work with an expert who does. That's how you protect your career, grow your wealth, and have an amazing career in sales. So that's why smart sellers don't gamble on one offer. They build multiple streams. They create stability, and they take control of their career. So if you want to build the kind of portfolio that gives you both income and independence, join the Closer Factory. It's free, it's powerful, and it's where sellers stop playing defense and start building real freedom. See you inside.